Hello guys, today I'll show you how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to Ledger Nano X. Firstly, visit the Coinbase website and log into your account. In the top menu bar, click on Transfer button. Enter the amount of crypto you'd like to send, then select the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. Now, open your Ledger Live app or Ledger device and navigate to the crypto you want to receive. Generate your Ledger deposit address and ensure you select the correct network. Bitcoin for BTC, Ethereum for ETH. Pass the Ledger deposit address that you copied from it, then double-check all details, including the address and amount. Click Send to complete the transaction. And that's it, your crypto will be transferred from Coinbase to your Ledger wallet. Be sure to check your Ledger wallet after a few minutes to confirm the transaction has been processed. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.